How you doing, YouTube? This is Elsob, and this is the 2021 Traxxas Slash Ultimate Edition. I have done a few modifications to it. If you look, I've got the Traxxas motor mount, and it's aluminum, nice blue. I got the extended battery tray. I have got the Traxxas 330-ounce steering servo. I've got yacht racing fans. I took the stock fan out of the housing and put a yacht racing fan in there because it's more efficient. I ran the wires from the fan into the receiver box, and I didn't use the connection on the ESC. That way you have less chance of having a brownout. And if you look carefully, I have the blue crossbar for the steering, so it takes some of the flex out of the steering so you have more command. And I especially wanted to do that since I have the upgraded servo. Yes, I do have the Raptor bumper on it. I've got the Proline Racing body mounts, so the Raptor body will fit on it perfectly. Clean the tires up, painted the letter walls on it. Obviously, it's got the blue wheel nuts. The one thing that people ask about is what a properly adjusted gear mesh sounds like. So if you look and you listen, so you can hear a little bit of a click. And when you set that up, you want to make sure you go through every tooth because the pinion gear is not perfectly round, and you want it to be perfect. You don't want it too tight in some spaces, and you don't want it to be too loose. So you go all the way around, which is just a simple adjustment of that screw right there. Oh, and I also have the Revo slipper with a special modification, so you don't have to worry about the pads. You have one big pad on there, so you get constant pressure. Well, thank you very much, YouTube. This is just a little going over. And, so you have a nice evening. Please subscribe. Hit the bell for new notifications. And I will try and come up with new content for you very soon. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.